Hi guys, and welcome back to Homemade by Sibo. So today we are doing a styling video for my console table that I built and saved a lot of money on it. Yeah, but the first thing that I want to do, you guys, I just want to show you quickly what the decor pieces that I have. And yeah, let me just, because I don't know what else to say, but let me just quickly show you guys the decor pieces that I have for decorating this piece, and then I will start styling it. And most probably I'll just do 2 or 3 ways of how I can just switch it up, obviously using the same things that are here, and maybe some of them not so much switch up, but to take something away and rather add something else in place of what I've taken out, and not completely to take it away. So yeah, let me just show you guys. Okay, so starting off at the top, I'm just gonna show you guys on the top shelf what's there. This I've made last year sometime when I started my channel. This was a DIY piece. It's still got that candle, but I want to switch it up also, but because I mean the colors, they go together with what I'm doing here, so I'm just gonna leave as is right now. And you guys have seen this this wooden piece log. I've switched it up, and yeah, and then I also have that was a thrift find. This was from Pep Home. All these are just thrift finds. These books are thrift finds. Obviously the console table, it's a DIY piece. You've seen that already. And that plant, it's a live plant. This is a string of pearls, which I started planting from since it was a baby, and now it has grown so much. You can see it's still stringing. And then I've got some flowers here which I got from Checkers. My florists, all my florists were closed today. And I also have a thrift find there, that vase. And then I've got a plant here, a rubber plant. I actually saw nice ones at Pick and Pay, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed. They are 500 rands. Hopefully I can get them one of these days. And then I've got a snake plant there, and I've got more decor pieces in this basket which I got from Pick and Pay home. Oh sorry, from Pep Home. And this is also a thrift find. Everything else that's in there, they are thrift finds. And then I've got my jar of water which I'll be using in that vase, and this is called a vase body. It's just for arranging your floral arrangement. So this is basically everything that I'm working with, you guys, here. Never mind the door frame. One of the good days it's gonna be going changed up. Same with the floors. I think this corner, you guys, I've already designated for my vases. I've got a number of vases. I can always switch up this vase here. So I'm just gonna put it there. And the whole reason why I like to put it here instead of this side is because kids. So yeah, even though you've got lots of space of movement here, but still I just want to be safe than sorry. But the first thing, let me just do the flowers, and I also need to move stuff away. Sorry you guys. Okay, so my mic was facing the other direction whilst I was busy talking. Maybe you guys didn't hear much about what I was saying. I said the vase, my vase is, this is not the only vase that I have. For now, this is the one that I've decided to use up today. Okay, so I'm just gonna add my flower food in here. Switch it up. I've got ice there because I've got roses inside those plants, and then I'm just gonna drop it in there. If you've got a vase that is decorative, you can always use something like inside that vase to hold up your flower food and the water for your flowers. Okay, I just want to cut them off at an angle first, you guys. Okay, so this vase body, this is how you just do it. You just stretch it out. Then let me just check first if this is centered there, and that's it. And then all you do, you just drop your flowers in like that, in the holes there like that. And another thing that I do like when doing floral arrangements is just to clean off the stems of my flowers. Okay, so for some reason my video was looking a little bit fuzzy there. This is the piece that I made, and this is the reason why I wanted to have a console here. But this is how I've styled it. The first style that I feel like I do love, that's the basket with a throw blanket there and a plant. And on the second shelf, let me just get closer. So on the first shelf, I've got that candle there and that bowl. And then I've got my log there with my books. And this is the floral arrangement for today's video. And those books, I actually got them some time ago from a charity store. And then my string of pearls, and then that book there with this bowl thing, and then my snake plant there. And yeah, but this is just the first way that I feel like it. I like it how it's styled. And I like the fact that it's a little bit in towards the wall, so no one would be knocking it over on the way to the bathroom, and also on one of the children's bedrooms, so no one can't really get to knock it up, because it's quite it's not a tiny piece, but it's very narrow. Okay, as I mentioned, sorry guys, I knocked you guys over there. As I mentioned, I did say that some of the pieces, it wouldn't be necessarily just to take everything off, but it would just maybe just to switch it up by removing one item and just adding another. This is the second style of how I would style it. And I also, okay, there's a little bit of a gap there. I also do like the way this is styled, like that. same as the first one, but the only thing was just now to add this piece, and that's it. Maybe I should switch off the plant as well. Please forgive my plant, you guys. My kids were playing skipping rope next to my plant, and it hit the plant there, and there, and there, and it actually bruised it. But I mean, we've got kids. There is no way that, you know. But this is the other way. I would switch it up, and that's it. But this plant, I can see it's not really working here, only because the leaves are already starting to go a little bit. They're a little bit taller, like this one and this one as well. Just the two. Otherwise, it would still work. But I don't think I would leave it here. Okay, so this is the third way I would style this. Still using the same decor pieces, just switching up. I'm still obsessed with that baby, you guys. But yeah. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so very much for watching. I do hope that you guys liked this video and the way I styled it. I know I may not have like luxurious pieces, but these are thrift finds and it's good for my pocket. But regarding this piece and how I styled it, I do hope that you did enjoy the styling, and I also hope some of you guys, you know, especially when it comes to this, the big piece, not just the decor pieces, but the piece itself, the fact that I saved so much money making it myself, you know, because we are all about saving here and repurposing, mostly repurposing, because I mean, this is the only piece and just the flowers that are in the basket that is new, something that is new. Everything else is thrifted or thrifted. But yeah, guys, thank you so very much for watching, and if you haven't done so, what are you waiting for? Join the family and subscribe to Homemade by Sibo, and don't forget to smash the like button, and don't forget to share, you guys. If you know someone that might be interested in a video like this, do share it with them, let them indulge, and maybe, just maybe, and hopefully they will be joining the family as well. And with that said, thank you so very much for being here once again and supporting my channel. I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys.